Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Beautiful day out here, and I tell you what, we just traded for this 2016 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck, and it's a beauty. You'll start out here on the back and see the seating where you can tilt everything up so that you've got a neat place to sit. Big full swim platform here with a 4-step ladder going down in the water, and of course that big 4-stroke Mercury Verado on the back. Super storage underneath here. As we walk into the boat, you're going to see the table here where you can really get friends all wrapped around you. You can sit 6 or 8 adults in here very easily. Great big nice walking space through here. You'll notice on the port side this seat right now is in the helm position where somebody can sit and face forward. It will go forward so that somebody can sit and lounge in the seat going this direction to look out the back. You'll also notice there's a ski pole there so that you can pull water skiers, a tube, or whatever it might be. On the starboard side, another big seating area here and a igloo ice chest built in underneath. As you look at the helm, we've got the Raymarine electronics as well as the Fosgate, Rockford Fosgate sound system, and the seat will fold up here so that it's very easy to sit up there and drive. Tilt steering wheel, digital controls. This boat has 100 hours on it just broken in. One of the nice features on this in the head is that it does have the vacuum flush toilet. That way everything sucks right back to the holding tank in the back. Big seating area forward so that you've got plenty of room here for people to sit, lounge out, nice armrest here to fold down. One feature with the SDX is the wide bow so that you've got plenty of room up here in the front. On this one we also do have the swim ladder that goes over to the beach so that you can get in and out, as well as a shower here on the front to rinse off. Beautiful boat, got a big sun top so you got plenty of shade. Give us a call. 2016 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. Great boat for here in Southwest Florida or wherever you might be out boating.